Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay Ethereum. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay Ethereum price surges to 2-year high. Eyes on Ethereum approval. Ayan, umangat daw po ang market price ni Ethereum patungo po sa nakamit nitong pinakamataas na presyo nitong nakalipas na 2 taon. Maliban po rito ay lahat po ng mga investors or holders ng Ethereum ay nakatutok po sa approval ng Ethereum ETF. Kaya yan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, Ethereum has reached a 2-year high, rising above $3,000 for the first time since April 2022. This significant increase puts it at the forefront of the cryptocurrency market, specifically as anticipation grows regarding the potential approval in the US of a spot Ether exchange-traded fund. However, at press time, ETH price was trading at 2,914, a 1.18% decline from the intraday high. Kaya yan, sabi dito ay nagawa na pong akyatin ni Ethereum ang presyong $3,000 sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon. Mula pa nung huli po niyang inakyat ang presyong $3,000 ay nito pang nakalipas na taong 2022 sa buwan po ng April or Abril. Ayan, maganda po yung kanyang maganda po ang ipinakitang performance ni Ethereum. Ngayon ay medyo bumagsak po siya ng 1.18% at ito po ay naglalaro sa presyong $2,914. At mukhang yung nagdulot po nito ay yung inaasahan po na magiging approval ng US SEC dito sa Spot Ether Exchange Traded Fund. Amid Ethereum price rally amid ETF speculation. The surge of Ethereum price to more than $3,000 at the beginning of Tuesday morning underlines the 71% annual growth of the digital currency and showcases its capacity to outperform Bitcoin in 24-hour gains. Driven by the rising tide of the general crypto market, this rally has sparked a great deal of trader enthusiasm, with many pegging a target of $3,500 in expectation of approval for an Ethereum ETF. Kaya ayan, marami raw pong umaasa na malamang ay aakyatin pa ni Ethereum ang presyong $3,500. Dulot po ng pagkaka-approve ng Ethereum ETF. Concern is growing about the possibility of Spot Ether ETF, given the success of Spot Bitcoin ETF that have hit the market earlier this year. Several major financial companies such as Fidelity, BlackRock, and Franklin Templeton have submitted their application for an Ethereum ETF and have stirred excitement for regulatory approval. Kaya, ayan, marami pong kanilang sa tingin nila ay ang Spot Ethereum ETF ay magiging matagumpay na rin na katulad ng Spot Bitcoin ETF. Kaya ayan, kasama po sa mga ilang malalaking mga financial companies ang nakapag-apply na at ilan lamang po rito ay sina Fidelity, BlackRock at saka si Franklin Templeton. Adding to the mystery, a player in an Ethereum ICO who has been dormant for 8.6 years has emerged after the price surge and sent a large amount of ETH to the Kraken exchange. This action of long-standing silent market participant only adds to the increased activity and attraction toward Ethereum, which is shaking up the cryptocurrency space. Ayan, meron daw po isang Ethereum ICO na nahimik ng 8.6 years. Tapos ngayon ay bigla siyang bumangon at nag-send po siya ng malaking amount ng Ethereum dito sa Kraken Exchange. Technical and market sentiments. Technically, the Ethereum price dynamics are based on strong market sentiments. The cryptocurrency rebound from the short-lived drop at $2,937, suggesting substantial investor demand at the $3,000 level. Although the coin is beginning to show a sign of a short-term pullback, the general market sentiment is bullish, and traders and analysts are looking closely at the developing story of ETF approval. Ayan, nakatutok daw po lahat ang mga investors dito ni Ethereum sa nalalapit na approval ng Ethereum spot Ethereum ETF. The larger context incorporates the increasing hype around Denkan upgrade, scheduled for mid-March, to considerably improve the Ethereum network. The upgrade in the possible spot at Ether ETF make for a powerful story of Ethereum future spot. Kaya yan, maliban po sa approval, nalalapit na approval ng spot Ethereum ETF ay yung tinatawag na rin po nilang Denkan upgrade ni Ethereum. Yan, kung magsasama yung dalawang ito ay talagang magiging matindi po talaga ang paglago ni Ethereum. Ethereum spot forward. As Ethereum strides towards establishing new benchmarks, the crypto community remains watchful of regulatory developments and network advancement. The potential approval of a spot Ether ETF by the US Securities and Exchange Commission looms large, promising to usher in a new era of institutional participation and investment in Ethereum. However, the outcome remains uncertain, with SEC Chair Gary Gensler's cautious stance on cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Yan pong muli. Ayan, nagpakita ng magandang performance itong si Ethereum, kung saan ay nagawa po niyang umakyat sa presyong $3,000. Ngunit bagya po siyang bumalik dito sa $2,914. At ayon po sa karamihan ay ang nagdulot daw po nito ay ang nalalapit na approval ng spot Ethereum ETF. At syempre kasabay na rin po yan ng kanyang yung tinatawag nilang Denkan upgrade. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po.